Welcome to Coach Happy. Today we're going to see the demo for online private tutors finder systems using Android Studio. Let's see how to start the Android project. First, I will explain the delivery folders. These are the delivery folders. First, I will explain into Android SRC. Android Studio build folder for Android SRCs. This is for the files. You can view the www files. All source codes are there. Next, go to the document. You can view the document details. These are the documents. If you want to abstract and PPT, free download in our websites. You can view the Android full document and PHP full documents. You can view the Android full document. You can view it. There are 13 chapters are available in this document. UML diagrams, 8 or 9 UML diagrams are available in the document. You can view the existing system, proposed systems, objectives. You can view all the details in the document. Next, web folders. This is for the PHP source code files. This is for the readme files. This is for database storage SQL files. This is for the local APK. Go to the readme files. You can view the readme files details. If you want to view the database name and credential details, you can view the all credential details are in the readme files. Let's see how to start the Android project. First, open the XAMPP control panel and open it. Apache is a package server, MySQL is a database storage. Start Apache and start MySQL. Start MySQL admin button. It promote open web browser. Now, database is open in left side. Further, it see this project. Next, open the Android Studio and open it. It left side import the Android SRC folders. Below minimize button you can see the AVD manager icon. Click and open it. Click here launch buttons. Now emulator is loaded. This is how to start the Android project. Let's move the app explanations. Open Tutor Finder app. Tutor Finder app. These are the Tutor Finder app. There are 3 modules: user, admin, tutor. First, go to the Twitter logins. You can click Twitter. If you want to create a new tutors, you can click register now. Enter the tutors details like name, email, password, mobile number. Enter all the details. Go to the sign in page. I will enter into the demo login. Enter the email ID and password. Click login. Login successful. Managing the models like create tutor, new inquiry. First, go to the create tutor. If you want to create a new tutors, enter the tutor details like name, subject, classes. Enter all the details. First, enter the name. Enter the classes. Choose the class mode online. or a student home, tutor center, enter, you can choose anything, you can choose it. Enter the all the details. You can click submit it. Created successfully. What are the creates? Go to the update tutor. You can click update tutor. You can view the details. What are the creates, name, subject? You can view anything, you can view it. If you want to capture the latitude and longitude, you can click update map. If you want to image upload, you can click images. You can click choose file. You can choose the images. You can click submit it. Next, if you want to capture the latitude and longitude, you can click the update map. Drag and drop the red bubbles. It captured the latitude and longitude. It click the update geo. Updated successfully. If you want to update or if you want to delete, options are there. The status are now pending. Admin will manage this status. Now come back to the home page. Now log out the tutor models. Next, go to the admin login. Click admin login. Enter admin email ID and password. Click login. Login successful. You can, if you want to approve the tutor or user details, you can click approve tutor. What are the tutor site profile created? You can status or managing the status. Once update the status, you can click update status. You can choose the status now, approval or reject, anything you can choose it and save it. Submitted successfully. The status are now approval. Once approval, you can view the user side. If you want to not rejected or pending, you cannot see for the user side. Now come back to the home page. You can click the user details. URL, register the user, you can view the user details. Now come back to the home page. Now log out the admin models. Let's move the user login. You can click user login. You can enter the user email ID and password. Enter the user email ID and password. Click login. Login successful. You can view the search tutor, my inquiry, my profiles. You can click the search tutors. What are the tutors profile created? You can view the tutor site. You can search the tutors. If you want to call now inquiry, show map, you can choose it. First you can go to the inquiry. You can click the inquiry. You can enter the post the inquiries name. Enter all the details. You can click submit it. Updated successfully. Once updated, you can go to the my inquiry. You can view the details. The status are now pending. So only Tutor managing the status. Now come back to the home page. You can click the my inquiry. What are the inquiry posted? You can view the my inquiry details. Now come back to the home page. Go to the search tutor. If you want to view the, you can, if you want to show map, you can show map. If you want to go to the feedback, you can go to the feedback. If you want to view the view ratings, if you want to view the individual rating also, you can view it. Overall rating also, you can view it. This app main purpose in these overall ratings. You can view the overall ratings. The project main purpose in the overall rating, view it. Next you can view the individual rating also, you can view it. You can give the feedback. You can enter into the comment. Feedback submitted successfully. You can go to this search Tutor. If you want to view the, if you want to overall rating, you can view it. Next you can choose the tutor also. If you want to rating for a overall rating 4.7, the best teacher in the models, you can anything, you can choose it. Now come back to the home page. You can view the my profiles. Now log out the user models. Let's move the tutor login. You can go to the tutor login. Enter in the email ID and password. Click login. Login successful. You can click the my new inquiry. What are the user side post the inquiry? You can view the new inquiries models. If you want to update the status, you can go to the update status. You can status are now pending. If you want to view the interested book demo, anything you can choose it. Enter the reply. Click save it. Submitted successfully. You can view the status and replies. Now come back to the home page. Now go to the view feedback. You can click the view feedback. You can view the individual ratings. You can view the feedback details. Now come back to the home page. Next go to the my profile. You can click the my profiles. If you want to update options are there. Now come back to the home page. Now log out the Tutor Finders models. Next move the user login. You can click the user login, enter user email ID and password. You can click login. Login successful. You can click the my inquiry. Now the status are managing the status. The status are now interested. You can automatically upload the tutor side. You can view the status. Now log out the user models. Our demo is completed now. Thank you.